guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a little different. We're actually going to be doing some house mods in this video. Usually we're working on cars, and I figured it's time to get the house painted. This color's been bugging me for a really long time. We've lived here for like 5 years. Wifey and I have been talking about getting it painted for a really long time, so finally getting it done. I think I got the cars figured out. I like how the white looks in the driveway, but honestly just doesn't match the color of the house, and that's not the reason I'm painting the house, but it is a big part of it. So I'm super excited to paint the house and then have my cars posted up in the driveway looking a lot better. I've always had this little picture in my head since I was a kid of having a pretty poppin' driveway. The goal for today is to just pressure wash everything. If you guys saw my recent videos, you saw we did a couple burnouts, so I'm hoping the pressure washer can clean that up today. But yeah, we gotta start with pressure washing the entire house, just cleaning everything up. I'm gonna try to pressure wash the driveway and backyard as well. And then in a couple days, we'll start painting the house. But yeah, I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's a little different. We'll have some car stuff maybe at the end. Maybe we'll do a street burnout since the house and driveway will be fresh. We won't want to mess that up again, so we'll do one in the street, piss some of the neighbors off. But I guess let's start pressure washing. I'm excited to see how the house turns out. Guys, so today is the day. We are done with pressure washing. We've been prepping since last night. This is Pops over here. He's gonna be the man painting the house. Are you ready?
Pretty much.
Yeah? And we got my cousin over here helping with all the prep. So what we're doing right now is just masking everything off. We got the windows masked off. We've been caulking all the seams, pretty much just prepping the entire house. And now is the moment that we've been waiting for. I'm super excited to get rid of this nasty orange brown color. This has been like 5 years in the making. I'm excited for the house to match the cars. What do you think of the color?
I love it.
You love it? So we just did a little sample over here. It's not a pure white, it's a little bit of like a off-white. It's off-white, but with a black trim, it'll stand out and it'll look like it's pretty bright white. I don't know, I'm excited. Let's start spraying this thing, yeah? Let's get it. Let's go. MVP right here. One day we got the whole house done. So we pretty much did 2 coats around the entire house. Now all we have left is the trim, which is gonna take 3 times as long, yeah? Or is it gonna be the same thing?
We'll see.
We'll see. I think it's gonna take twice as long as it did to paint the house. Hopefully not, but it's currently Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, so we're starting tomorrow in the morning. All we have left is the trim, but this is what it looks like so far. Pretty happy with how this is turning out. All the ugly orange is finally gone. I guess we'll continue tomorrow when we're doing the trim. So quick update, the boys are out here just killing it. We got the top floor pretty much almost done. Pops just came back from Home Depot, got some more tools. So far it looks super good. The trim really makes such a big difference. With the house being all white, it didn't look that clean, but the black accent really makes it stand out. What's up, G?
What's up, bro?
What are you doing out here?
Just painting.
In your Berks? Painting out here in the Berks? The black looks nice, dude. I can't wait till it's done, dude. This looks freaking clean. Slowly getting there. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, of course. Cheers.
Done. We're just finishing up on these posts in the front of the house. It's getting dark, but the MVP is out here just finishing up. We weren't too sure what we wanted to do with these posts. It was either leave them all white or go all black, and then we decided to just try doing the corners black like that, and we like how it looks, so this is what we're gonna do for now. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. We'll get some better shots tomorrow because it's already getting dark. But yeah, super happy with how it looks. What about you?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
No words.
No words. This has been her dream for super long. I think you're a little more excited for this than I am, yeah? Like, I'm happy with how this looks, but really she's the one who wanted to go with a black and white scheme, so I guess you're the MVP too, because I'm really happy with how this looks, and I'm glad we went this route. Let's see what Pops has to say. What do you think?
I love it.
You love it too?
Yep.
At first, Pops wasn't too fond on the black and white thing, yeah?
But this is not white.
Yeah, this isn't white. He wasn't down for like the pure white, so we went with a little off-white, and he's happy with it. So that's all that matters. As long as everyone's happy, yeah. I think we're all happy. All right, we'll continue tomorrow and get some better shots. Guys, well, that's the finished product of the house. I'm really happy with how it all turned out. This is pretty much a dream come true for me, having my cars in the driveway, kind of matching the house a little more. It's not the exact same white as the cars, but we did decide to go with an off-white, and I'm still really happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think of the white and black color scheme. I honestly really like it, and I'm happy we went this route. And I think the next house mod for me is gonna be my garage floor, so we'll go in there in a second. But I did want to say thanks to everyone that helped with this project. Shout out to my cousin, my brother, and Pops for getting this done for us. We wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys. Let's go in the garage real quick. So the next thing for the house is obviously gonna be my garage floors. They are super crusty. There's a bunch of oil spots everywhere. We did get the garage painted sometime last year, and now the only thing left is for me to get my garage floors done. So yeah, that'll be sometime in the future, but I guess I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of the next video. So we got a little something under this garbage bag over here. I did pick something up for one of my cars, but that'll be in the next video. But as of now, that's gonna be it for this video. I know I said I was gonna do a street burnout in the neighborhood, but I decided to be a good neighbor this time around. So maybe in the future we'll do a street burnout in the neighborhood. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it wasn't too boring. I know it's a little different, but I still wanted to document it because I think it's something that's gonna be pretty cool for me to watch back someday. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.